Hello and welcome. I am Vidya. Today's topic is verity of truths and facts. Have you ever wondered how we know what we know? What is the difference between truth and fact? Is there a concept which encompasses both the truth as well as fact? Today, we are going to explore the fundamental approaches to establishing verity, one for formal world and another for physical world around us. Let's start with the world of mathematics, the formal world. Concentrate on the top half of the figure shown below. Here, we often deal with statements that are either definitively true or false, and we establish their truth through something called proof. Truths are in the formal world. Consider the statement square root of 2 is irrational. What does that mean? It means 2 cannot be expressed as a simple fraction p divided by q, where p and q are integers. You can even visualize 2 geometrically as shown in the figure. If you have a right triangle with the two sides of length 1, the hypotenuse will have a length of 2. Rather, hypotenuse will have a length of root 2. When you place this on a number line, you see it falls somewhere between 1 and 2, but we don't know exactly how much. To validate this statement, that is to prove it, mathematicians use method called as proof by contradiction. They start by assuming the opposite is true, that 2 is rational, meaning it can be expressed and written as p divided by q. Then through a series of logical steps, they show that this assumption leads to a contradiction, revealing that the initial assumption must be false. This rigorous process is applicable to the formal world, where logical consistency is of paramount importance. Now let's shift our gaze from abstract numbers to the vast universe, to the empirical world, as we call it. Here, we are dealing with physical objects and their interactions. Our statement here is physical objects attract each other. We see this everywhere, from an apple falling from a tree to planets orbiting the sun. This we express as a fact. Facts belong to empirical world. How do we validate this statement? Not enough and not through logical proof, like with root 2, but through experiment. Scientists observe phenomena, conduct experiments, and collect data. Through countless observations and precise measurements, they formulated the Newton's law of universal gravitation, which is stated as F is equal to G multiplied by capital M multiplied by small m upon R square, where capital M corresponds to mass of the sun, small m corresponds to mass of the earth, and r is the central distance between them. This formula allows us to predict and explain the gravitational attraction between any 2 points. This approach is applicable to empirical world, where observations and measurable data are key. Note here that the formula F equal to G into M divided by R square is not a mathematical formula but an expression which connects the measurements between various quantities. So Whether we are in the realm of formal world or in the physical universe, our goal is the same, to establish verity or satyata. Verity is the quality of having or being truth or fact. In mathematics, we achieve it through rigorous proof. In science, we achieve it through careful observation and repeatable experiments. Both are powerful tools in our endless quest for understanding the world around us, both formal and empirical. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of proof experiment and the fundamental pursuit of verity. Thanks for watching. Pragmasophy is Prajna Yajna. If this idea resonates with you, subscribe for more insights on pragmasophy and how to turn knowledge into meaningful action. See you soon. Thank you. Thank you very much.